Hi, in this video we shall be talking about the parliamentary and the cabinet system of government. Now, this is a system whereby governmental powers are shared between two figures, where we have one, the head of state, and two, the head of government. Now, the head of state, the powers of the head of state lies or rests in the hands of a figure called the president or the monarch, while the head of government, while the powers of the head of government lies in the figure called the prime minister or the parliament. Now, this system of government is commonly practiced in the United Kingdom and in Canada. In the United Kingdom, you have the monarch as the head of state, king and the queen, while the head of government, while the powers of the head of government lies in a figure called the prime minister. While in Canada, you have the president as the head of state and the prime minister as the head of government. This system is also practiced in France. Now, let's look at some features, some important or major features of the parliamentary system of government. Number one feature being that there is no clear separation of power. This is because the head of government, which is the prime minister, can act in capacity of the legislature, which means to make laws, and also act in capacity of the executive, which is to enforce those laws. This way, there is no more separation of powers, because he can do two things from two organs of government. Number two, there is a separation between the head of state and the head of government. Unlike the presidential system, the head of state is different from the head of government in the parliamentary system. The head of state is the president, while the head of government is the prime minister. And number three, the principle of collective responsibility applies in parliamentary system. This means when there is a fault or when there is an offense, the whole of the parliament is to be blamed. You don't blame one person. One person is not singled out for individual blame or individual punishment. The whole parliament is punished and blamed at the same time. Number four, the prime minister and members of his cabinet are all members of the parliament. And number five, the real executive power lies in the hands of the prime minister. Now, in our next video, we shall be talking about monarchy.